Hey people, yeah, you can see all the cars in there. Wow, the car is just wow. These are my cars. I own all these cars. Yeah, I own all these cars you guys are seeing. This is a woman that has big money in Canada. I own all this car. I bought it. Yeah, guys, as I was saying, these are my cars. You wanna try? You see what I'm saying? Yeah, gosh. Uh-huh. Gosh, woman. Let go reach that side. Gosh, woman. Gosh, woman. And yeah. So I changed my uniform to this. So this is what we are doing today. This is my working shirt. It's my working shirt for today. Yes. So hope you guys are ready for this fun. Wow. Wow. Everywhere looks nice. These are one of my cars. Anyhow. Don't try.
In 500 meters, turn right onto Simcoe County Road 27. At the light, turn right onto Simcoe County Road 27. Signs for Kootenai Road 27.
Hello everyone, how you guys doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time and according
Continue
to
on Simcoe County Road 27 for 4 kilometers.
Wherever you are watching, it's Mama Didi Canada TV show. Today my car is 1 year. Enya. My car is 1 year. Happy birthday to you, my car. Happy birthday for you, are a liar. Enya. Happy birthday to my Carlo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to my car. Enya. Happy birthday to my car, Leo. Ge. You born 5 picky. Ge. My car is 1 year today. Oh, ge. Now who bought this one, baby? Ge. How you guys doing? Hello people. Hello. Yes, so today we are having big party in my working place. Very big party. And this time last year when we did the party, exactly the same day, the same year, everything, that I got my car. Yeah. You guys want to know the experience of my car? It was so easy. I did everything online. I no go there. I didn't go there. I didn't go and even check the car. If they walk, it not they walk. That is how stressful it is. It's so stressful. They drove it. In fear, they drive and come meet me. Anyhow. So my car he needs to be dedicated. You understand? I've dedicated it though. My boss never dedicated. You know what I mean? Yeah, so all my working partner, everybody dedicate this car. They dedicate it. So today makes my car 1 year that I started driving on it. 1 year. Yes, it's August 10. So I just want to pray for my car. You see the money where they give me from today I go be times 10. I'm not gonna buy you too much gas. Not too much gas. You see now, since I bought you, it's only I only go and change the oil. That's all I've done on this car. I change the oil when it turns 6 months. So that's the only thing I've done in this car. No any other thing. And another thing, I changed the filter of my AC. That's it.
In 500 meters, continue straight.
So that's it, and I'm going straight down to my working place. Okay, we're having big party today in my working place. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you guys around a little bit and see the place where okay, I should continue straight. Which side I want to go now? Oh, I see the place already.
Continue straight, then you will arrive at your destination.
I saw it. I need to come to this side. I'm sorry. I didn't really see it on time. I don't reach where they go. So you can see there is a lot of activity going on. I can see the place. I can see the place. If I say I pass that place now, I'll go turn around. No. I'll use this place. This one on a warrior she gone. Egumela. Oh, warrior she gone. What is that? I pray, oh, Mama Didi. Mama, don't worry. See,
you have arrived.
I've arrived. See the place, guys. Let me show to you guys. See, it's very fun. Let me show to you. I don't come late. I know my boss for is go get a bit today. You see this place? Let me remove this thing. You see? So this is where. So I'm gonna look for where to park. I'll park my car in the front, so because I'll get something inside my car to carry. So as you can see, a lot of people have come. See? You see? See, we're gonna be having live band, lot of things is gonna be going on today. Today. Go see my boss car. Look at this one. My coworker. Sorry, say I called the car. That's my boss car. Let me go show to you guys. See my boss car. No, they see so. You see those two cars? This is my boss car. You see? Hey, let me show you guys. Wait. I'm gonna video this. Una see car. Una see people where come here. Una see people where come here. My park. My show na wella. My stay here. My show na wella. Okay? Let me just go and show to you guys. You can see all the cars. Oh my gosh. See? You see? Yeah, like this one you can ride on it. I can just take a picture with it. You see? So all this car one at the see so all this car is my boss friends. All these people are my boss friends. So they do car race, like how am I gonna put it so you guys will understand? So these are my boss friends, all your friends, all of them, they come today. You can see where they, but last year again where they take park. So let me park very well. Let me park. Let me go park very well. But I can't do live video. Yeah, I don't know. You know, I keep my business private. Okay, I don't show my job too much on my social media, but my job they get it. So we have social media platform, no? Okay, we have no I don't even your books. So we have social media platform. So I want to park well, so that's, let me go park well. Let me park here. Let me off my AC. My boss go shock when he go see me just now. Okay, let me carry my bag. What else do I need? I don't really need much for now. Hey, wait. You see? See what I'm talking about? Eh? You see why I love this my job? It's so fun all the time. You can see all these people who are the so they are my boss friends. All of these people who are the so they are all my boss friends. That they do this thing together. So this is the place I'm gonna be showing a little bit. Then I'm gonna be cutting off. Okay. So maybe I will come back later. Who knows? Hi. Oh, I don't carry my clothes or my shirt where we will see, they know they call me already.
The costume. I can't even imagine. I don't even know how you can put that together, but it is awesome. Thank you so much, and thank you for entertaining everyone today.
So that's it. We have a lot of fun here. Lots of activities going on. A lot of people. I'm eating now. So I'm doing volunteering. These are volunteering shirts, my working shirts. So yeah, you can see all our clients. So we are the organizer. My boss is the organizer, as you can see. Yeah, that's the live band. The guy can play like crazy. Live band. Having a lot of things. Yeah. Hope it doesn't have copyright. Guys, welcome. These are one of my cars. Yes, so these are all my cars, as you can see. So today we are doing something in my working place. So this is my working place, and a lot of activities is going on here. This is a food bank. We have a lot of things going on here. So guys, we have a lot of things in here. A lot of activities is going on here. So, and we are having fun in here. Let's go to this place. So we're having a lot of fun in here. Lots of activities to do in here today, as you can see.
Thank you. Okay, so the next surprise.
As you can see, I feel very fun here. Great job. So these people, they are selling something like that one, chairs. They're doing a lot of activities in here. Yeah. So guys, we have a horse driving here. As you can see, that horse. So a lot of people are inside. Horse driving. So this way the kids gonna be playing. So yeah. This is it. Hey people. Yeah. You can see all the cars in there. Wow. The car is just wow. These are my cars. I own all these cars. Yeah, I own all these cars you guys are seeing. This is a woman that has big money in Canada. I own all this car. I bought it. Yeah, guys, as I was saying, these are my cars. You wanna try? You see what I'm saying? Yeah, gosh. Gosh, woman. That courage does. Gosh, woman. Gosh, woman. And yeah. So I changed my uniform to this. So this is what we are doing today. This is my working shirt. It's my working shirt for today. Yes. So hope you guys are ready for this fun. Wow. Everywhere looks nice. These are one of my cars. And yeah. Don't try. Okay, so cheese. Cheese. Hello.